2013 Corolla reverse light housing replacement. Also, the bulb can be done this way. As you can see, mine is cracked, my housing. First, you want to pop the trunk. Once you get the trunk popped, this little black cover right here, if you squeeze it, you could pull it down, squeeze it, and then pull it down, and then pull it to the left. It has these little hooks that you don't want to bend or break, so when you squeeze it, you pull it down, and then you just pull it out. This is usually hooked up, this connector is usually connected to like the bulb, but this one for some reason is missing, but it would be right here. So if it was here, you just disconnect this connector by pushing on the little button on the end of the piece. Push the button and then pull this out. You could also just twist the bulb housing and pull it out yourself and then remove the bulb that way. To get this housing off, we're going to get two 10mm nuts out of here. There's one there and one there. Now there's also these little plastic guides. Sometimes these you have to squeeze them to get these to go out. So we'll see if we have to do that. But let's get a 10mm and bust the nuts. There's one here, and there's one here. Alright, save these. You're going to reuse them. Put them in a safe spot. And then, let's see. Have this wire disconnected. Be careful not to drop them because they can get stuck down here. If you do lose them, they're common nuts, so you could probably just find some more. I went to pull this out, and it kind of comes out, but there's one spot that doesn't want to come out. I would recommend, if you can, not to just rip it out and just see if you could get the little guide that's holding it up. This little guide right here is the one for me. And like I said, I'm just going to get some pliers and squeeze the ends of it. As you can see, those little fingers are coming out. Just get some pliers, squeeze the end of it. Or even if you have like a flathead, you could probably push the sides in enough to get it out. Just pull it out. And worst case scenario, if you don't have anything to do that, just pull it out. It'll come out. We're going to replace it anyway. This is the part number from Toyota. And here it comes like this. It comes with a new bulb and a new bulb housing, little connector. So this thing comes ready to go. It's just, you just drop it in and go. You plug it in this light spot. That's where the bulb is. So just line up the guides, line up the studs, and we'll go ahead and put this in place. Be careful with it. Obviously, you can crack it if you're pushing too hard on it. Yeah, they can break. On the back, there's the studs. We're going to put the 10mm nuts on. One right there, and one right here. These don't have to be mega tight. If you try to go mega tight with it, you might break the stud off or strip the threads. So just get it pretty snug, and then plug your light in. I don't have the torque specs on the net, sorry guys. But we're going to put this connector back on. Like I said, these little plastic hooks, they go on the inside. Put these on first, and then put this up here, and then squeeze it until you can get it in place. It should pop in place, and you should be good. I put my e-brake on and put it in reverse with the car off. Make sure the car is off, and make sure your e-brake works good before you try this. And then you could see if your reverse light works. Alright, thanks for watching.